Ali, before I start, do you hear me very well? Hello, Mr. Ali? Mr. Ali? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Mr. Ali, do you hear me very well? Very good. Very good. Let's, Mr. Ali, start together now. So, this is for, as you know, for the second intermediate grade, English language second term. My topic today is talking about what future going to. Future going to. Of course, this is presented by your brother, Majid Arbayan, and prepared by my friend Ziyad Al-Muwallad. Okay, so Mr. Ali, what do you know about future time or future tense? Do you know what does this mean to you? What does it mean? Do you understand it, by the way? Before I start, let's discuss about my topic. Very good. So when do we use future tense? When do we use it? Do you remember? Very good. Can you give me one example, Mr. Ali? Can you give me one example? Any sentence if you want. Okay. Sure. I'll give you 1 minute if you want. No problem. Future going to. Aims of the lesson is what? Are what? Present and give students practice in using future going to, right? So can you tell me, Mr. Ali, or give me just one example? You said you know the future tense, right? Just give me one sentence about future tense, Mr. Ali. Just try. Maybe I will, ask you a question here. Okay. Yeah, I will go to school tomorrow. That's right. Very good, Mr. Ali. But my topic today is talking about what? Future going to. But I will accept that. That's right. I will go to school tomorrow. That's right. Great answer. Great answer, Mr. Ali. Good job. Welcome, Mr. Salman. Welcome. So, Mr. Salman, do you hear me very well? Mr. Salman, do you hear me very well, by the way? Mr. Ali, check your spelling. Mr. Salman, do you hear me very well? Wonderful. Wonderful. As I mentioned before, this is my topic for today, future going to. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is my name, Mr. Salman, Majid Arbayan, and prepared by my friend Ziyad Al-Muwallad. My topic is talking about future going to. Just going to. Okay? Future going to. Maybe you know that we can use will for future tense, but here I will explain just going to. Okay, just going to. Let's go and see aims of the lesson, Mr. Ali and Mr. Salman. This is the aims of the lesson. Present and give students practice in using future going to. Okay, let's see now. What are the tenses in the speech? Sorry, what are the tenses of the speech in English? Can you tell me, Mr. Salman and Mr. Ali, how many tenses do we have in English? How many tenses do we have, or what are the tenses of the speech in English? So can you tell me, Mr. Ali and Mr. Salman? For example, when I talk about something happened in the okay, Mr. Ali, I don't understand you, by the way. So yesterday, so we are talking about what? We are talking about what? If I'm talking about something happened yesterday. So here I'm talking about past tense, right? But what about now? I am explaining this lesson. So here we are talking about present and the future. In the future, I am going to explain a lesson, right? So here, how many tenses do we have? Let's see. We have past, present, and future. We are here now, right? Right, Mr. Ali and Mr. Salman? We are here, present. Very good. So here in the past, maybe I will, very good. Here we are, Mr. Salman, please use English letters all the time. Don't use Arabic letters at all. Okay? If you don't know, don't worry. Do some mistakes, no problem. We are here to learn. If you have any mistake, no problem. I will correct your mistakes. Okay, Mr. Salman? Very good. So here we are talking about the past, present, and future. My topic today is talking about just future. Going to. Okay? Going to. Wonderful. Let's see now. What do you know about the future tense? Mr. Salman, what do you know about the future tense? And also Mr. Ali. What do you know about future tense? Go ahead. Future tense. What do you know about it? Mr. Ali, go ahead. And Mr. Salman, yeah, please just participate. Give me your answer, please. So what do you know about the future tense? If you want to talk about future, okay? Right? So here, yeah, that's right. Very good. So we know that if we want to talk about something will happen next time, right? Tomorrow, next week, next year, next month. So in the future, very good, Mr. Salman. Very good, Mr. Ali. That's right. What do you know about the future tense? We know that we can speak about event or action that happening tomorrow, or that's happening tomorrow. Event that's happening tomorrow, next week, and etc. Very good. Very good. Let's see now. Look at the following, Mr. Salman and Mr. Ali. Look at the following sentences. Look at this picture here. There is a boy. I am going to play football. So what do you think about this tense? What about going to? What about going to? So look at this sentence and just think about this sentence. Okay, I am going to play football. Okay, you see. Okay, let's move on and see. I am going to use my laptop. I am going to use, you see, my laptop. I am. So here we are talking about what, Mr. Salman and Mr. Ali? We are talking about future tense, right? Future tense. You see? And don't miss that. Going to. You have to keep this word. Let's see now. Here, this is an explanation of it. In the last two examples, there are blue or two blue words going to. Of course, right? We have two going tos, right? So when do we use these words? What do you think, Mr. Ali and Mr. Salman? When do we use going to? If we are what? If we are talking about what? Come on, Mr. Salman, Mr. Ali. When do we use going to? If we have what? Yeah, to future, or if we plan, if you plan, if you plan your future. if you plan your future, right? So you see, when do we use those words? If you plan your future, right? And what does they mean? So they mean what? We are talking about the future tense. Okay? We are talking about the future tense. Okay, let's go to see more details about the future going to. Mr. Salman and Mr. Ali here for plans and actions that we intend to do in the future. Okay? The future going to, when do we use them? For plans and actions that we intend. What does that mean, intend? That's we want to do. We have a plan. For example, Mr. Ali, I bought a ticket, okay, to travel to Jeddah. So I am going to travel to Jeddah tomorrow. So I intend to go to Jeddah, right? So here I plans for my traveling. So here for plans that action that we intend to do in the future. Let's say now I am going to travel to Australia this summer. Okay, Mr. Ali and Mr. Salman. Here I am going to travel to Australia. So what about now? We are in present tense, right? Now. So maybe I bought, okay, or I decided to buy my ticket to Australia. So I have a plan in my mind, right? So here we are using what? The future tense. I am going to travel to Australia this summer. And also we can use, or when do we use future tense? For predictions, you see, based on evidence. Okay, look at the clouds, like what? Look at the clouds. It's going to rain. So does it rain now? It will, it's going to rain. We don't know, maybe. But because we have clouds, right, it's going to rain. Understood, Mr. Salman and Mr. Ali? Here we have what? This is the form. This is the form. In going to, we always have to start with subject. Where is the subject, Mr. Ali? Mr. Salman and Mr. Ali, where is the subject? Where is the subject? Can you tell me, please? Yeah, I'm waiting to your answer. No. Here. In this, sorry. Here. Where is the subject? In future tense, we have to start with subject. In any sentence, we have to start with the subject. For example, I is a subject, right? I am going to play, for example, games. Okay? So here, this we call it what? Subject, right? Okay, what about this one? Am, is, are. We call it what? Look, subject and verb to be. Am, is, are. We call it verb to be, right? Verb to be. Let's see now. Here, this we call it verb to be, right? Verb to be. Okay, and then what? Plus going to. You see? Going to. And then what? Play, the base verb. Okay, or infinitive. Or infinitive as I mentioned before here. You see? Infinitive. Here the subject. I am is the subject. I am is the verb to be, right? And then going to and followed by infinitive. Where is the infinitive? The verb travel, right? The verb travel. Here are the same. Look, I is the subject, am the verb to be, going to and then followed by infinitive. You see, followed by infinitive. So do you understand now? This is the form of the future going to. Is the form of the future future going to. Do you understand this, Mr. Salman and Mr. Ali? Very good. Mr. Salman, do you understand? When do we use going to? Mr. Salman, welcome, Miss Iman, and how are you today? Okay, Mr. Ali. Okay, let's see. There are two ways to write the sentences in future tense, right? Affirmative and negative. So do you know that? Affirmative and negative. Affirmative, if we don't have any, just, you know, a normal sentence. But for negative, if we have not, okay? If we have not, you see? And this is the form, as I mentioned before. I am going to travel tomorrow. I am going to speak in public tomorrow. I am going to play football tomorrow, next week, next month, and etc. We are talking about future. If we have a single pronoun, okay, Mr. Ali, Mr. Salman, Miss Iman, if we have a single pronoun, of course I have to use is. It's followed by it and then going to plus infinitive. So here, he, she, it, and Ali, okay, is going to travel. Iman is going to travel. Salman is going to travel. Ali is going to travel. So we are here talking about future tense. But if we have a plural, for example, Ali, Salman, and Iman are going to travel. You see? And me, of course. You are going to travel. I mean, three of you, okay? They are going to travel. This is in affirmative. You see, if we don't have not, affirmative, the normal sentence. The normal sentence. This is the form, subject. This is the subject, I, he, she, it, you. All of them, we call them subject. Subject, you see. This is the verb to be. This is the verb to be, is, am, are. And followed by what? Followed by going to, and finally with infinitive. You see? Finally with infinitive. Understood, Mr. Ali, Mr. Salman, Miss Iman? Please, do you understand what I explained to you? What I have explained to you? Please, tell me. Very good. Thank you very much, Miss Iman. Mr. Ali, very good. Mr. Salman, do you understand? Because I will, change the slide to give you a negative. It's the same, but we just have to add not after the verb to be. Do you understand, Salman? Very good. Thank you very much. I'm so happy today. I'm so happy today because you are so smart students. Very good. Okay, let's move on and see. What about negative here? What about negative? Negative, if we are talking about what? Something, like what? Not. For example, I'm not going to travel to Australia. Okay, if we change our mind, and then we have to add what? Look, if we have welcome, Miss Amina. If we have the pronoun like I, of course, it's followed by am, and I have to add not after the verb to be. Okay? After the verb to be. Like what? I am not going to travel. You see? This is the subject. You see? Subject. And then followed by verb to be. Am, is, are. We add what here? Not after the verb to be. Okay? When do we add, or where do we add not in a future tense? Can you tell me? Can you tell me where do we add not after the verb, after, in a future tense, if we have negative. I am not, very good, Mr. Ali. I am not going to school. I'm not going to go to school, okay? Because school is noun, Mr. Ali. School is noun, not infinitive. You see? Infinitive, it means what? The base verb. Play, go, study, etc. Very good. Very good. And again, Mr. Ali, can you give me your sentence, please? Can you give me? Can you rewrite it again, please? Go ahead. So if we have a single pronoun like what she, he, it, of course it's followed by is, and I'm not going to play. Very good, Mr. Ali. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Ali. I have to copy your answer and write it here. Very good. You see, this is your answer, Mr. Ali. I am, very good, I'm not going to play. I'm not going to play. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. So, okay. Can you give me more example, Mr. Salman? Can you give me another example like this? Mr. Salman, do this, please. And also, Miss Iman, can you do it? I want you to give me by using he. And Miss Iman, give me by using plural pronoun like we, you, and they. Okay? I'm waiting to your answer. Go ahead. Yeah, very good, Miss Iman. I'm waiting. I'm waiting to your answer, Mr. Salman as well. Ali, go ahead. She isn't going to travel. You aren't going to travel. So give me more example about this. Just change, you know, the complement, for example. Come on, Mr. Salman, go ahead. Yeah, he is not, okay, he is not going, complete, Mr. Salman. Going to, for example, study. Yeah, very good. He is not going to study abroad. He is not going to travel. Very good, Mr. Ali. Miss Iman, can you give me, please, in a hurry? Very good, Mr. Salman. Very good. They aren't going to shop. Yeah, I will accept that. They aren't going to shop. If you put the word shop as a verb, I will accept that. If you put it as a noun, of course, I want to change it. But it's okay. Great, great answer, Miss Iman. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, let's move on and see. Who's this? Who said Assalamu alaikum? Wa alaikum assalam. Mr. Wa'il, where are you? You are not here. Okay, so there is a note here. Welcome, Mr. Wa'il. Welcome. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. There is a note, and you have to put this in your mind. It is not necessary to say or write to go with the future going to. For example, Ted is going to go swimming next weekend. You can, delete delete to go if you want. Okay? It's the same, by the way, but for going, if we have to go, right? But I prefer to use or to add to go. It's better to use it, okay? Just, don't miss this note. It is not necessary, but my opinion, I want you to add to go to this sentence, okay? Now we are moving and give you some exercise now. Let's see, Mr. Ali, I want you to do number 1. Look at the Rob's schedule and complete the sentences using the future going to. Look at this, Mr. Ali. Just Mr. Ali, please answer. visit museum with Billy. So what do you think? This is Rob. Does Rob is, plural or single? What do you think, Mr. Ali? If we have, is it single or plural? What do you think? Is it one person or two persons? What do you think? Rob, name of a person, Mr. Ali. Like you, Ali, Khalid, Rob, Michael, Steve, and etc. His name is Rob. Rob, okay, Mr. Ali? So what do you think? Rob, should I use is or are? What do you think? You can help us, Mr. Salman and Miss Iman, and also Mr. Wa'il. What do you think? You can answer, all of you. Okay, I will help you, by the way, Mr. Ali. Rob is going to... Very good. Thank you very much, Mr. Ali. Rob is going to visit a museum with Billy. That's right. Very good. Very good, Mr. Ali. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much, Miss Iman. That's right. Great job. Is Salman schedule? Good try, but, good try. Very good. Let's see now. Rob is going to visit a museum with Billy. Great answer, Mr. Ali. Thank you very much. Okay, what about next one here? What about the next one? Look at this. Clean room. Rob on Monday. What do you think, Miss Iman? Can you do this? Iman, please. Mr. Ali, don't answer. Mr. Ali, please, don't answer. Miss Iman, can you do it? And Mr. Salman and Mr. Wa'il. Any one of you. Just do this. Rob is single person, right? So, should I use is or are? What do you think? Go ahead, Miss Iman, please. Rob is going to clean his room. Wonderful. Wonderful. Great answer. Thank you very much. I have to, copy your answer and then write it here. Very good, Miss Iman. Thank you. But Iman, I have to tell you something. When you start with a word, okay, you have to write the capital letter, okay? And also there is something you have to know. Name of persons, name of places, name of countries. We have to start it, or we have to, write it capital letter all the time. Okay? So here, don't miss that. Rob is going to clean his room tomorrow, on Monday, or etc. Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Good answer. Is going to clean the room or his room. Wonderful. Great answer. Thank you very much, Miss Iman. Okay, now I want you to complete the dialogues. Use what? Of course, I missed that. Thank you, Mr. Salman. Thank you. This is for Iman. Thank you very much. Thank you for helping me, Mr. Salman. Good job. Okay, so here, complete the dialogues. Use what? Future going to of the verbs in the books. You see, how many words do we have? 1, 2, 3. Maybe one of them cross out. We don't need it. We have to delete it. Let's see now. I space like this dress today. I don't like red. So, Mr. Salman, I want you to use what? Going to. Going to. Here we have what? I. Right? I. Very good, Mr. Salman. Yeah, that's right. Have. Good job. But how can we do this? Mr. Ali, Mr. Salman, welcome, Mr. Supervisor. Miss Iman, Mr. Wa'il, what do you think now? Go ahead, Mr. Ali. Yeah, I'm waiting to your answer. Wonderful. Okay, I will help you. Okay, good answer, Mr. Salman. But I told you you have to use what? Going to, right? Going to. Very good, Mr. Ali. I'm going to learn. Is that right? Is that right, Mr. Ali? Good try. Good try. That's right. I'm going to learn like the dress today. So here, what about this word? Where? So what about this word? I like this dress today. So what do you think? Wrong. Thank you very much, Miss Iman. What is the right one? What is the right one here? I am, like Mr. Ali said, I am, that's right. I am what? So here, so look at this sentence. What about this word? Not where. So I told you, okay, if we have a negative, we have to add not after the verb to be, right? After the verb to be. So what do you think? Miss Iman, not going to where? That's great answer. But give me a full sentence. I am not where. Good try, Mr. Salman. But where is going to? The future tense of it. Miss Iman, your answer is great. Not going to where? That's right. But I am not. Mr. Ali. Good try. I am going to not where? What do you think? Let's go back. Let's go back and give you more details about what I explained before. Let's see. Let's see, Mr. Ali and all of you. Look at this. If we have a negative, not, it's followed by the verb to be, right? The verb to be and then not, Mr. Ali. So your answer, you said what? I am going to not where. Is that right? Is that right? So here, not must be go. No, it's not right, Mr. Salman. So the answer will be what? I am like, or as Miss Iman said, I am not, you see, going to where? I'm not going to where? That's the answer. I am not going to where, like, you see, Mr. Ali, your answer is great, but you're confused. You mixed, the rules here. Okay, so this is the answer. Understood, all of you? So I am not. Very good. I am not. Yeah, very good. I am not going to wear like this dress today. I don't like red. Yeah, blue is nicer. Mr. Salman, I want you to do number 2, please, in a hurry. What do you think? In a hurry, Mr. Salman. What about number 2? Here I spaced Spanish. Classes start next week. That's great. What do you think, Mr. Salman? Here we should start what? You can use this word, learn. Learn. What do you think, Mr. Salman? Okay, great, Mr. Ali. I am going to learn. That's right. I am, Mr. Salman, I am not going. Okay, good, answer. But, Mr. Salman, do we have not here? Like not where? We don't have not. Good answer, Mr. Salman. Delete not and then give me your answer. I am going to learn. Very good. Very good. Very good, Mr. Salman. But just delete not. Wonderful. I am going to learn. Let's see. Number one, I am not. Why not? Because we have not here, right? I am not going to wear like this dress and etc. Number two, I am going to learn Spanish, classes start and etc. Very good. Okay, let's move on and take more example now. Look at this. Use this prompt to make sentences. Here we have unscrambled words. I want you to collect this word to give me one sentence. To give me one sentence. In each sentence, we have to start with subject. Okay? Don't miss that. With subject. Okay, Mr. Ali. No, just one moment. Miss Iman, can you do number one? Miss Iman, can you do number one, please? Mr. Wa'il, can you do number two? And Mr. Salman, do number three, please. In a hurry. I will help you, by the way. Don't worry about that. If you have any mistake, don't worry about your mistake, okay? Don't worry about your mistakes. We have to start with what? With name. Ali or Sultan. It's up to you. Ali or Sultan. And then complete. Number two, how many persons do we have here? Ali and Badr, right? But we have R, right? Miss Iman, Miss Salman, number one, right? Mr. Salman, do number one. Miss Iman, number two. Mr. Wa'il, do number three. Go ahead. Number two, Badr and Ali. Very good, Mr. Salman. Number three, Mr. Salman. Okay. Fatima is going to work at lunch. Good try. Your first answer is great, but the second, or the compliment has something, Mr. Salman. Good try. Good try. Fatima, let's see. And correct your mistake, Mr. Salman. Good answer, but, Fatima is going to work at lunch. Yeah, good try, but we missed something. Where is the word have, Mr. Salman? Where is the word have? You see? But you did very well, Mr. Salman. You did very well. But, we have to change something. We have to add the word have at work. And, Miss Iman, Badr and Ali are going to sleep early. Great answer. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Miss Iman. Great answer. That's right. You see? This is your answer. Great. Badr and Ali are going to sleep early. Why Badr and Ali? Because they are two persons. Badr and Ali. So here it's a two person, not one. So we are using what? Are. Great, Miss Iman. Mr. Wa'il. Mr. Wa'il. What about number one? Can you do it? Mr. Salman. Can you change your sentence, please? Go ahead, Mr. Wa'il. Where are you? Okay, Mr. Ali, can you do number 1? Mr. Ali, can you do number 1? Go ahead. I'm waiting to your answer. Very good. Mr. Salman, please. Look. Fatima is right here. Fatima is going to... That's great answer. Is going to work? Great. Maybe you can say is going to have. And then complete, Mr. Salman. What do you think? Is going to have... Yeah, I'm waiting to your answer. Very good. Go ahead. Iman, thank you very much. You did very well. That's for number 2. No mistakes, mashallah. Go ahead, Mr. Ali, Mr. Salman. Yeah, I'm waiting to your answer. Ali is going to play with Sultan tennis. Good try, Mr. Ali. Ali is going to play tennis with Sultan, not, you see, good answer, Mr. Ali, but, I have to change something. This is your answer, good answer, but I have to change something. Is it, correct here or not correct? What do you think, Mr. Ali? Ali is going to play with Sultan tennis. Yeah, good. Or, you can say, Ali is going to play tennis with Sultan. What do you think? Mr. Wa'il, Sultan is going to play tennis with Ali. That's right. Good job. Good job. You see, Mr. Ali? Sultan is going to play tennis. So, to play tennis with Sultan. That's right. Great answer. Let's check your answer now and see. Sultan or Ali, it's up to you, is going to play tennis with Ali. Badr and Ali are going to sleep early. Fatima is going to have lunch at work, Mr. Salman. This is your answer. Very good. Fatima is okay, no problem. You tried, Mr. Salman. So that's what I want. You tried, but you made a mistake, but it's okay. So that's what I want. Thank you very much, Mr. Salman. You did very well. Good. Good. Okay, so check your answer now and see. In a future, this is the summary. Future going to, we have affirmative and negative. For example, I am going to play. This is the form. Don't miss that. In negative, we have to add what? Not after the verb to be. You see, I am not going to play. He is not going to play. They are not going to play. In affirmative, of course, we just follow this rule. I am going to play. He is going to play. They are going to play. Okay?